Crash Course on Austria. Historical Landmarks and Architecture. Embark on a journey through Austria's rich history, where architectural wonders and historical landmarks stand as testaments to its storied past. Let me share some fascinating stories to ignite your curiosity, followed by a list of the top 12 attractions that showcase the country's historical grandeur. Exciting stories. 1. The Mighty Habsburgs. The Habsburg dynasty once ruled over Austria and left an indelible mark on its architecture. Their impressive palaces and castles still enchant visitors today. 2. Step back in time, wander through the cobbled streets of Salzburg's Old Town, where medieval buildings transport you to bygone eras. 3. Vienna's Imperial legacy. Vienna, the imperial capital, boasts elegant palaces, such as Schönbrunn Palace, that resonate with grandeur and opulence. Top 12 attractions for historical landmarks and architecture. 1. Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and former summer residence of the Habsburgs, offering stunning gardens and imperial chambers. 2. Hofburg Palace, Vienna's historic palace complex, housing the Austrian National Library and the Spanish Riding School. 3. Belvedere Palace, a Baroque masterpiece featuring beautiful gardens and hosting an impressive collection of Austrian art. 4. Melk Abbey, a striking Benedictine monastery perched atop a hill overlooking the Danube River. 5. St. Stephen's Cathedral, the iconic landmark of Vienna, boasting Gothic architecture and a unique multicolored roof. 6. Hohensalzburg Fortress, a medieval fortress towering over Salzburg, providing panoramic views of the city and surrounding Alps. 7. Eisriesenwelt Ice Cave, discover the world's largest ice cave, a natural wonder in the Austrian Alps. 8. Innsbruck's Old Town, a charming ensemble of historical buildings, including the Golden Roof and Imperial Palace. 9. Graz's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring a mix of architectural styles and medieval charm. 10. Eggenberg Palace, a magnificent Baroque palace in Graz, known for its beautiful gardens and stunning frescoes. 11. Klosterneuburg Monastery, a splendid Augustinian monastery near Vienna, with a rich history and a stunning medieval library. 12. Mauthausen Memorial, a poignant reminder of Austria's darker history, honoring the victims of the Mauthausen concentration camp. Summarizing this writing, Austria's historical landmarks and architecture offer a captivating glimpse into its illustrious past. From imperial palaces to medieval towns, the country's heritage is beautifully preserved and invites visitors to step back in time. And now, a poem to celebrate Austria's architectural marvels. Amidst Austria's charming grace, a tapestry of time and space, Habsburg's legacy standing tall, palaces and castles enthrall, Vienna streets, a grand design, history's jewels, they intertwine, Schönbrunn's gardens, vast and green, a royal realm, a timeless scene, Hofburg's splendor, noble and bright, a regal haven, a noble sight, Belvedere's art, a treasure rare, Baroque's embrace, beyond compare, Melk Abbey, a heavenly sight, monastic peace in golden light, Salzburg's fortress, strong and grand, a medieval guardian, it stands, Innsbruck's roof, a gleaming hue, the city's heart, forever true, Graz's Old Town, a charming plea, a UNESCO gem, for all to see, Eggenberg's Palace, art divine, frescoed tales and gardens shine, Klosterneuburg's sacred walls, a holy refuge, ancient calls, Mauthausen's tribute, somber cries, in memory, humanity tries, Austria's history, grand and wise, her architectural wonders rise. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.